Welcome to the Food Tech. In today's video, we explore Whey Protein Hydrolysate, or WPH, an advanced protein source known for its rapid digestion, bioavailability, and specialized applications in sports, medical, and infant nutrition. For more details, visit our website. The link is in the description. Whey Protein Hydrolysate, WPH, is an advanced form of whey protein that undergoes enzymatic hydrolysis to break down the protein into smaller peptides and free amino acids. WPH is the most rapidly digestible and absorbable form of whey protein due to its pre-digested nature. It is extensively used in medical nutrition, infant formula, and high-performance sports supplementation due to its superior bioavailability and reduced allergenicity. Composition of WPH. That WPH typically contains 80 to 90% protein with a degree of hydrolysis, DH, ranging from 2 to 30%, determining peptide length and digestibility. It has less than 1% lactose, making it suitable for lactose-intolerant individuals, and a minimal fat content of 1 to 2%. Additionally, WPH is rich in bioactive peptides, which contribute to its superior nutritional properties. Unlike whey protein concentrate and whey protein isolate, WPH contains short-chain peptides that require minimal digestion, making it ideal for individuals with compromised digestive systems or high-protein needs. Processing of whey protein hydrolysate. The production of WPH involves multiple steps to ensure the breakdown of protein into bioavailable peptides while maintaining nutritional integrity. Whey collection and pre-treatment. Liquid whey is obtained from cheese production and pre-filtered to remove fat and casein residues. Ultrafiltration or microfiltration. The whey is processed through ultrafiltration or microfiltration to concentrate proteins while removing lactose and minerals. Enzymatic hydrolysis. Specific proteolytic enzymes are used to hydrolyze whey proteins into smaller peptides. The degree of hydrolysis determines the extent of protein breakdown. Low DH 2 to 10%. Mild hydrolysis retains some intact proteins. Medium DH 10 to 20%. Balanced hydrolysis, improved digestibility. High DH, less than 20%. Extensively hydrolyzed, fastest absorption, minimal allergenicity. Deactivation of enzymes. Enzymes are inactivated using heat treatment or pH adjustment to prevent further hydrolysis. Filtration and purification. Further membrane filtration removes residual lactose, minerals, and unwanted byproducts. Spray drying. The hydrolyzed protein solution is spray-dried to convert it into a stable powder form. Final standardization and quality control. The WPH powder is tested for peptide size distribution, solubility, and nutritional profile. Functional properties of WPH. WPH possesses unique functional properties that differentiate it from other whey proteins. Rapid absorption. Pre-digested peptides allow for faster digestion and absorption compared to WPC and WPI. Low allergenicity. Reduced immunogenicity makes it suitable for infants, patients, and individuals with dairy allergies. Improved solubility. Higher solubility in water, but even at acidic pH levels. Low viscosity. Easier to incorporate into liquid and beverage formulations. Enhanced bioactivity, rich in bioactive peptides that provide immune-boosting and antioxidant benefits. Nutritional benefits of WPH. Fastest protein absorption, ideal for post-workout recovery and muscle protein synthesis. Rich in essential amino acids and branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. Supports muscle growth and repair. Low in lactose. Suitable for lactose-intolerant individuals. High digestibility. Recommended for patients with malabsorption issues or gastrointestinal disorders. Contains bioactive peptides. May have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Applications of WPH. Sports and performance nutrition. Post-workout protein supplements, muscle recovery formulas. Infant formula. Used in hypoallergenic infant formulas for infants with cow's milk protein. Allergy, CMPA, clinical and medical nutrition. Included in enteral nutrition for patients with digestive disorders, malnutrition, or post-surgical recovery. Functional foods and beverages. High protein, ready-to-drink, RTD, beverages, fortified dairy products, and medical food formulations. Pharmaceutical and therapeutic applications. Utilized in specialized dietary interventions for metabolic disorders and immune support. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Food Tech for more expert insights into food science and nutrition. For more details, visit our website. The link is in the description. See you in the next video.